What is life without spice? And what is food without lots of खटाई, नमक, मिर्ची? अगर आपको स्पाइसी फूड पसंद है, I'm pretty sure आपने गोवन क्विजीन को अपना फेवरेट बना लिया होगा. एक पेस्ट है known as the रिशाद पेस्ट, जो बेसिकली संकेश्वरी चिली से बनाया जाता है और गोवन फूड में बहुत ही पॉपुलर है. इस सुपर हॉट रेड रिशाद मसाला में यू कैन मैरिनेट योर फिश और प्रॉन्स बिफोर फ्राइंग देम, या फिर यू कैन मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल रिच ग्रेवी. आज हम इस मसाले में पॉम्फ्रेट बनाएंगे. So here we have the Sankeshwari chilies. Now these chilies are put into this paste. The reason is that they are really spicy. So normally in most red pastes you have either Kashmiri mirchi or baked tea, but this is what is specially used in Rishad because of its spice level. So here goes our Sankeshwari chilies. Into this we're going to put cinnamon powder and haldi. Here we have methi seeds, mustard seeds, zira, cloves and pepper, really finely chopped ginger, fresh ginger, chopped garlic, salt, and now mostly when this Rishad masala is done, actually always in Goa when the Rishad masala is done, they normally put all of this in fenny. But as fenny may not be easily available in all the cities in India, what we are doing is our version, which is in malt vinegar, which is always available and easily available in any kirana store. And last but not the least, sugar. And now all I'm gonna do is just see that the malt vinegar has covered all our ingredients. They're nice and wet. We just push this entire masala into the malt vinegar, and we're going to leave this overnight to completely marinate, because we just wanted to show you the process of making the Rishad masala. This is how you do it. In the morning, all you do is blitz it in a mixie, and this is the paste you get. It smells awesome. It reminds me of Goa, and it's just too tempting and tantalizing. All I'm gonna do now is marinate the pomfret. So this fish has been deboned, which means there's absolutely no bone in this fish, which means you can eat it without a problem. It just has a few of the thorns on the side, but they're so fun and they come out really, really easily. And always remember, when you're deboning it, it gets deboned from the silver side. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to make 2 little incisions on either side of the fish. This is only because when I smear it with masala, with Rishad masala, I want it to flavor the flesh even more. So we're gonna go with Now that this bit is done, I'm going to put a clove in the fishy's mouth so that it does not talk to me. And now I'm going to marinate our fish with this lovely Rishad masala. So I'm going to put it into every little crevice of the fish, inside the meat, inside this cavity. So now that I've smeared one side really well, I'm going to flip this over. So I have enough of masala on the base. I'm going to put a whole dollop inside the cavity and the remaining of it on the top of the fish. This is now done. I'm now going to bake this in a preheated oven, 220 degrees, for 2 minutes on either side, or maximum of 5 minutes altogether. So very quickly, it's 2 minutes. I'm going to hold this and very slowly, because this has now become soft, I'm going to flip it over. Boom. Okay, very quickly I'm going to drizzle this with a little oil and back into the oven. Yum! The aroma of this Rishad masala baked is just too much to handle. So now I'm just going to plate this. You know, there's nothing better than eating fish than with some lovely rice. Okay, so this is my rice here. I'm just going to scoop up this fish along with its tail intact and put him right here. My rice. And now for a little bit of home. Okay, get your pens and papers out and take a good look at the recap and write down each and everything.
To make pomfret Rishad, for Rishad masala, in a bowl, take 14 to 15 Shankeshwar chilies, add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon methi seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cloves and peppercorns, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 2 teaspoon chopped garlic, salt to taste, 50 ml malt vinegar and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix it all together and leave it overnight. After resting, grind all the ingredients to form a thick paste. Now take a deboned pomfret which has a slit below to form a pocket. Make slits on the pomfret using a knife and coat it with the prepared masala. Now in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, bake for 5 minutes. Serve with boiled rice and garnish it with coriander sprigs. Your pomfret Rishad is ready.